Ceacht Caigado and Trio Declina, the third declension of nouns. Just another collection of nouns that behave in a certain way. You can't really tell just because it's masculine or feminine whether it belongs in this list, but you can kind of tell from other things. All of these have a genitive that ends in a broad A, and all of them have strong plurals, so they behave the same plural in the nominative and genitive, and they all have that A ending in the singular genitive. So, and a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them are people who do things, or a certain type of person, like anfermior, or anfelimior if you're in Ulster. Anfermior, ceach an ermiora would be the genitive. So a lot of them behave like that. Aber an ermiora, they give you nefermiori. Now they don't all have the same type of plural ending, but when they do have that ending, it's the same for both the genitive and the nominative case. So poshti nevermiori, or aber nevermiori, they give you here. Now, they also mention blian is in this group, but blian is a little special because it has a special counting form. So, anvlian is a feminine noun, aber nabliana, the work of the year, nablianta, the years, aber namlianta, the same plural ending, just with that eclipsis because of the genitive. And but when you're counting is shacht mliana, no T. Okay, it's a special counting form that you use for blian. And it's just a matter of going through these nouns and getting acquainted with them. Ceacht, anceachta, naceachtana. They're very common nouns. Rang, anranga, narangana, actually. Things that you use all the time. So just familiarize yourself with the words, practice the list, and listen to the recordings. There's your review.